Holy fuck.
That's crazy.
I felt that on my feet. Awesome.
That was cool, man.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that was fucking cool, man.
Crazy.
Kaboom!
Yeah, that works really good.
The good old Newfie engineering. Who needs an Alberta power engineer? Yeah. Show you my fishing skills.
Oh shit. £8?
Take a picture of this thing, too.
You all came here for a show.
Oh, can you take a picture? Can you beside the pumpkins?
Holy fuck!
That's insane.
That's crazy.
Yeah, we gotta come take a look at this.
That's cool.
Wow.
Holy shit, dude!
That's cool. That's so funny.
That was wicked, man.
Holy smokes, man! That was fucking crazy.
There's no pumpkins left.
There's nothing left.
Oh my god.
Wait,
I'm
just